Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. Today we have a very useful video. If your Wi-Fi option has completely vanished and your wireless adapter is missing in Windows 10 or 11, it can completely cut you off from the internet. I will show you exactly how to find, enable, and reset your network settings using built-in tools. Let's get started. First, we need to check if your computer actually lost the adapter or if it just accidentally disabled itself in the background. Click on your Windows search box at the bottom of your screen, type in Device Manager, and hit Enter to open it. Look down the list and click the small arrow next to the section named Network Adapters. If you actually see your Wi-Fi adapter listed here, but it has a small downward pointing arrow on its icon, it means it is simply turned off. Just right-click on it and select Enable Device to instantly bring your Wi-Fi back. If your wireless adapter is completely missing from that list, we can force Windows to search your motherboard for it. While you still have the Device Manager window open, look at the very top menu and click on Action. From the drop-down menu, click on Scan for hardware changes. Your screen might flash for a second as Windows scans all of your internal components, and if it detects the missing Wi-Fi card, it will automatically reinstall it and pop it right back into the list. If the scanner didn't find anything, we need to completely reset your network configurations. Click your Windows search box again, type in Settings, and open the app. On the left side, click on Network and Internet, and then scroll down to find Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down one more time and click on the option that says Network Reset. Click the Reset Now button and hit Yes to confirm. This will safely wipe out any corrupted network profiles and automatically restart your computer in 5 minutes, which often forces the missing adapter to show up again upon reboot. If you have restarted and the Wi-Fi is still missing, your actual driver files are likely missing or corrupted. Since you don't have Wi-Fi, you will need to plug your PC directly into your router with an Ethernet cable or use a second device to download the drivers onto a USB flash drive. Simply go to the official website of your laptop's manufacturer or your specific desktop motherboard brand like Asus or MSI and download their latest Wi-Fi drivers to install manually. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.